Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. I'm Paul Sweeney alongside Scarlett Fu. We're joined by Bloomberg's Christine Aquino. Christine, what are you looking at today?
Well, we got to take a look at Eli Lilly today, given the Novo Nordisk news. So Eli Lilly shares, ticker LLY, and those shares just up a touch right now, up 0.1% at the moment. And as we know, of course, its rival Novo Nordisk really getting a milestone here with an approval to be able to sell a pill version of its blockbuster obesity shot Wegovy in the U.S. And so it's really going to be a battle of market share here, right, between Novo and Eli Lilly, which are the main competitors in the space. So as for Novo, apparently they're going to be selling the pill starting in early January, and it is approved to help people lose weight or maintain previous weight loss over the long term. So Eli Lilly, though, not to be left behind, apparently they are trying to make waves in the European pharmaceutical space. So apparently they're going to be, or they've already met with the French Treasury in early December to submit a proposed acquisition of French pharmaceutical company Abivax. So we'll see if that gets approval. But overall, Eli Lilly still very much winning that race when it comes to at least share moves this year. They have risen 39% versus Novo's 47% decline. But yeah, I mean, the Novo U.S. ability presence, shall we say, is certainly potential threat to Eli Lilly here.
All right, so the obesity drug race heatens up here, or hots up, if you want to put it that way. Let's talk about your second stock.
Yeah, let's talk about Albemarle, which is, I mean, for the most part, it is mainly a lithium producer, right? It's a chemicals company, but lithium is really its big thing. And it seems like it's mostly gaining in sympathy with the rally in industrial metals that we're seeing today. So copper, of course, we know, hit a fresh all-time high above $12,000. That is mainly due, though, to mine outages, also the prolonged impact of tariffs here. So perhaps not necessarily a fundamentally driven move, but it seems like traders kind of willing to kind of ride this wave of industrial metals rally and anything that's related to it, including Albermarle shares in this instance. But on the company specifically, we do have Bloomberg Intelligence weighing in on its fundamentals. So our analysts are saying that, you know, the company it's adjusting its operating and cost structures to reflect a lower for longer price environment for lithium. And so, you know, when the cycle turns, and it seems like we are starting to get that turn now in industrial metals, then it will be more competitively positioned. So keep an eye on that one. Those shares at the moment, you know, ticker ALB moving really quite a bit here, up 1.6% currently.
And up 71% year to date for the Charlotte, North Carolina-based company. All right, one more.
Let's take a look at Huntington Ingalls, which is a shipbuilder. So ticker HII, currently shares up just a little bit, 0.2%, but yesterday was really the big rally. They were up more than 5%, and it is enjoying a fourth straight day of gains, all because of announcements from the U.S. Navy. So the Navy saying that it plans to build a new class of warship as part of President Donald Trump's Golden Fleet bid to revive U.S. shipbuilding. And so Navy Secretary John Phelan announcing the plan, and they will aim to have the first boat ready by 2028. Guess which company is building it? Huntington Ingalls. Yep. And the ship apparently will be based on Huntington's Legend-class cutter. I don't know much about ships, but that sounds impressive.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.